Hey there. Welcome. This is Dr. VK. This 5 nighttime routine lead to a clear glowing skin. Give your skin some attention before you go to bed with this easy beauty routine. To keep your skin looking young and healthy, you need to take care of it. Because the skin is constantly exposed to harmful sun rays, pollution, dirt, and grime, there are various skin issues that pop up quite often. Other than leading a healthy lifestyle and following a balanced diet, you also need to add in a basic beauty routine to look after your skin. The skin repairs itself from the day's stress during the night, so it is necessary to give your skin equal attention before you go to bed so that it looks rejuvenated the next morning. Step 1. Double cleansing. This is highly recommended. Double cleansing consists of first cleaning your skin with a cleanser such as a cleansing oil or cleansing cream. This cleanses oil-based impurities such as makeup and pollutants. Then follow it up with a cleansing foam to remove any leftover impurities before sleeping. The motive here is deep cleansing while being gentle on the skin. Step 2. Toning. Use a gentle hydrating toner according to your skin type to refine pores and restore pH level. Always use a good toner as it will prepare your skin for the next step of your routine by minimizing the pores to normal size. Step 3. Treatment and repair. At night your skin is naturally regenerating, repairing, and restoring itself. Rejuvenation is at its peak as cell turnover increases at night. Use of repairing serums such as salicylic acid or vitamin C for brightening and reducing pigmentation should be applied at night. It's best for those who prefer natural repair and rejuvenation of the skin after the damaging effects of the day. Step 4. Intense cream. Use a hydrating and repairing night cream to nourish and seal all the essential nutrients from previous steps. A cream should be applied to strengthen moisture barrier. Use a good but gentle eye cream for hydration around your eyes. One should never ignore this step as your skin around the eyes is the thinnest, and it needs special attention. Step 5. Sleeping mask. Sleeping masks are applied preferably 3 to 4 times in a week. It is applied at the last stage or the cream stage of the night routine. Sleeping masks are generally gel or cream based, and they should be massaged into the skin until absorbed and washed away with water next morning. It provides intense nourishment and dewy, hydrated skin in the morning. Additional tip. Maintain proper sleep schedule. Go to bed as early as possible. At least before 10 p.m. Follow the same time every night and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Not only will it help repair your skin, but you'll feel fresh and energized the next day. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Check my other health tips videos, leave your comments below. Share with your loved ones. Give a thumbs up.